Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a new video. In this series I'm gonna present a certain set of skills which help you raise your play as a beginner. In my opinion, it's much more important to build certain skills as a beginner rather than studying and remembering opening lines by heart. Why is that? Because once you have acquired a certain skill, you will be able to apply this one in different games, and so your scores will improve overall, not just in a certain opening line or something which will maybe just arise once or twice. So the skill I want to talk about in exactly this video is simplifying. When I watch games of my students or players at a beginner level, they often spoil a huge material advantage, and the reason is often quite simple, because they don't simplify when they have a chance. Why does simplifying help winning positions with a great material advantage? Basically, when we simplify, we trade pieces, and when I say pieces, I mean pieces, no pawns. And when there are no pieces, there is just no counterplay, no tricks, nothing your opponent can outplay you with, because if there are no pieces left, there is no play left. Pawns, it's a different story, because pawns, they move very slowly, their movement is predictable, and you don't get tricked that easily. So really try to get the pieces off when you have a huge material advantage, and try to win an endgame with an extra piece, or sometimes just an extra pawn or two extra pawns. And we will just have a look at one example which gave Black the chance to simplify and convert his advantage, but he didn't do it, and that's a major mistake. When you have a look at this position, every strong player would basically play the same move here after king c2. Not queen f2 check, but queen takes c3. Simplifying to a maximum, we really force the trade of queens. White has no choice, as both king and queen are attacked. And after takes, Black will win this pawn endgame easily. Usually pawn endings have a tendency to be lost even with one pawn down, but here it's two pawns, and that's just too much, and that's the easiest way. For example, Black will just activate his king and finally start pushing pawns, distracting the white king, or distracting the white king with this one, but white's king will be busy, and Black will finally promote one pawn, or deflect the white king, win the b4 pawn and win with the b pawn, but it's a very easy win. Instead, in the game, Black did not get this principle quite right, and the game continued here a bit, and white got some chance for some checks and some counterplay. Of course, it is still probably winning for Black, but it's not good technique. You really could simplify and prevent all counterplay, and now you are running the risk that there will be a perpetual check or any counter threat. So it's so important to really exchange when you get the chance and your material up, because what matters is what's staying on the board, and if there is no counter chance on the board, you will win easily, and you won't be able to spoil it. So I hope you could learn something from this one, found this instructive, or even could catch yourself where you had some memory about your games where you didn't take the chance to simplify. So if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.